Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and getting outside. Also completing your accounting work. I miss your faces. We're just going to jump right into it today. So, the last module we completed was accounting prep. We went through a whole bunch of training rooms on D2L. That took us quite a bit of time, but you guys were able to practice a lot of the stuff here, which is really important because in accounting, you can't really skip a step. It's very much like baking. If you are trying to make a cake, you need to make sure that you add your eggs and your flour and your sugar. If you miss one of those steps, your cake kind of sucks. So exactly like counting, if you miss one of these really important steps, you don't exactly have, well, you very much don't likely have the proper accounting system set up. So that's why it was really important that we went all through this stuff and you guys were given that opportunity to even practice. I'll be honest, it took a bit too much time, and unfortunately, the rest of our modules are going to be a bit faster. For instance, this next module coming up here is module 1020, Accounting Cycle 1. This one is also very sequential. In order to get to the final steps, for instance, creating a trial balance, you need to be able to do almost all of these things. In this module, we won't have time to practice going through the training rooms that are offered to us on D2L, at least with me. I will never close those for D2L, so if you would like to go onto D2L and to go through over here, 1020 on your own and do all those examples, you are more than welcome to. I just can no longer assign those because it is taking too long, and I have to have those of you who are participating in my course in your modules by May 27th. So today is Monday the 11th. That gives us about almost less than 3 weeks for me to get through 3 more modules. So we're going to be doing this next module kind of on hyperspeed. Okay, it'll still be quite informational. I don't even know the word I'm trying to say. It'll be great. There'll be a lot of like really important information. I just won't have as much opportunity for you guys to actually practice doing the steps. So once again, if you want to go into D2L on your own time over the summer, totally up to you. That stuff will always be open for you. Just again, this next week, we will not be going through those training rooms. What you will be doing is almost as cool. Outcomes I'm really trying to hit this week are 2, 3, and 5. So we're going to be going over journalizing transactions, including the use and parts of a journal. I'm not going to have you guys record entries for a service business for a monthly business cycle because that involves quite a bit of work. And then I want you guys to understand a petty cash fund and how we'll replenish that. You guys are going to be posting journal entries to the appropriate general ledger accounts essentially by watching someone else do it. Again, please practice on your own if you have the time. I don't want to overwhelm you. I know core is a lot for you guys. And then last but not least, record ledger account balances on a trial balance. So again, the videos will most likely go over this all for you, and I don't ask that you do it on your own. But if you have time and core isn't crushing you, you're more than welcome to go through the D2L training rooms. So this week I am going to link about 6 videos for you guys to be watching. They're quite short, and I even shortened them down further for you guys so that you're not watching over an hour worth of YouTube videos. But you are looking about roughly 40 minutes of watching these videos. So it's called Accounting Stuff. This guy is awesome and makes everything extremely easy to understand. He uses quite a bit of diagrams and he gives tons of examples. I really, really enjoyed it. You start from obviously left and you go to right. We will be ending with him on how to prepare a trial balance. Okay, so once again, 1 video, 2 videos, 3 videos, 4 videos, 5 videos right here from Accounting Stuff Guru. So how it's going to work is, as I suggest, you download, oh, don't look at that, you download, my bad, everyone. Here, the document that I have attached into this week's announcements. You guys put your name first and last at the top, and these are going to be the questions for the entire module. So you have a bit of review from Accounting Prep 1015. What is a chart of accounts? What is a general ledger? 2 to 3 sentences will be fine. And then you're going to go through these videos. So video 1, the accounting equation. I've watched all of these multiple times, and I've made sure that you guys aren't watching anything where they're asking you to subscribe to stuff, or if you like this video, press like. So please start at 30 seconds in and then end at 4:04. If this is confusing you here with where the videos are starting and ending, what I have here again is the hyperlink to the first video you need to watch. So video 1. Then you're going to answer questions. For instance, stuff the business owns is split up into 2 words. What are they? A and B. What is the accounting equation? Name 3 things that make up liabilities. This should have a C. There you go. Does the accounting equation always balance? Yes or no, etc., etc. When all of the questions are done for that short 3-minute-ish video, you're going to go on to video number 2, accounting basics, debits and credits explained, 39 seconds into 5:15, and so forth. Exactly what it seems to be. You watch videos, you answer questions. Pretty straightforward stuff. At the end here, you are going to see a video on petty cash. It's done by a different guy. He's a little more mind-numbing, but it is a really pretty straightforward video on petty cash and how you would replace petty cash in a fund. I don't have anything bad to say about the video. Again, you have around 6 videos in total in order to answer all of these questions. Okay, once you're done with that video, you're going to save the video and download it, or sorry, you're not the video. You're going to save this worksheet to your desktop, and then you're going to submit it to assignments at home financial 1020 video questions. Right now it is restricted, but once again that will open up as of tomorrow when I post this video. I just want to go over some things. If you are not engaging in the content as of right now, I don't know how to sort of simplify this. You will not receive credits in financial management. You will technically pass the course if you were passing before, but you will receive something called Mr. Tink credits, which is essentially just a blank statement credit, but it doesn't help you kind of further in the course. It just makes sure that you received all possible credits. So what that means is this week I'm going to try and call a few of you who haven't engaged at all, just to make sure that you know this class is still running and all that fun stuff. Also to let your parents know that if you don't engage, you don't receive those actual financial credits. Once again, this week we're dedicating it to doing this full module via these questions, via these videos. Next week it might be module number 4, again, all videos, all questions, and then I don't know if we will succeed in getting that final module, but I will try my absolute best. Once again, if you guys have any questions at all, please let me know at abrubin at cbe.ab.ca. I really enjoy getting your comments. Jaden, you made my heart melt with that comment about teaching finance. I'm trying my best, guys. But once again, if any of you are struggling or frustrated with me, please let me know via email. I don't take offense to it. I understand this stuff is not easy to learn online, and I want to help you out as much as possible. Anyways, I hope that made sense. Don't let this stress you out too much, because I'm going to do my best to make it as simple as possible. This is the module, once again, that we're doing this week. We are focusing on 2, 3, and 5, and then we are moving on to accounting cycle number 2, where we will focus on number 1. Okay, I feel like you guys at this point recognize the need for preparing budgets. I find this funny when I remember telling you guys in personal finance that we needed to have a 6-month emergency fund in case anything insane happened, and then COVID happened. So if that's not saying enough, I don't know what is. That's about it, guys. It should be pretty straightforward. Watch those 6 videos, answer the questions, hand them in. Have a fantastic week. Do good things. Miss you all. Hope that was pretty clear. Have a great day, guys. Bye.